It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 28th of August. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and slightly above average temperatures to continue for the rest of the week as the monsoon continues on its vacation. Will we see any moisture coming back for the weekend or perhaps next week? Well, let's talk about it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 105 the high, 84 the low, no rain in the bucket. Outside right now here at 5:25 a.m., mostly clear skies in the valley, just a few high clouds out there. 82 degrees to begin this day at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 48, so it's dried out a bit. Relative humidity at 30%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning. Low 70s in the cool spots around Fort McDowell. See, it's 75 in Maricopa. Here in Arcadia, where I am, it's 76. Low 80s in the urban core. Satellite picture across the southwest this morning. You see that southwesterly flow aloft, and there are some high clouds out there, but certainly the moisture levels at the surface are way down. We'll see those dew points down in the 30s by this afternoon. The watch warning map today, not a whole lot happening out here in the west. The big story, the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings in the northeast and parts of the nation's midsection. We also have some flash flood watches, a couple of flash flood warnings in Wisconsin. Severe weather outlook for today. A slight risk of severe storms extends from around Kansas City further to the east and north towards Chicago, Milwaukee, Muskegon, and Grand Rapids, with the marginal risk going all the way up toward the Canadian border in northern New England. And rainfall for the next 7 days here across the southwest. Not a whole lot for us here in the valley, maybe a few hundredths of an inch. Some parts of the state could see as much as a quarter of an inch between now and next Tuesday morning. We'll have to see. We'll look at the details as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing north of the state, our subtropical ridge pushed to the south and east, a dry west and southwesterly flow aloft, and down at the surface, other than a few high clouds, will be sunny today with highs again 102 to 106, and those humidity levels should be lower. So yes, it's going to be hot, but not as uncomfortable. Tonight with clear skies, lows in the 70s for just about all of us, near 80 in the urban core, and then tomorrow again, sunny skies, highs 103 to 107, and that continues on Thursday and Friday as this very dry weather pattern holds through. As we get to the weekend, the models diverge quite a bit, so there's a lot of forecast uncertainty, but the GFS keeps us with a dry forecast Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with westerly flow. Now, maybe temperatures start to backtrack just a little bit with troughing north of the state. Highs may fall back to around 101 to 104 by Labor Day. The European, on the other hand, a completely different solution. It's got a closed low to the west of the state, high pressure to the east. A resultant deep southerly tropical moist flow comes into the southwest states for a good chance of showers and thunderstorms returning. The ensemble members are all over the board. So for now, I think we could probably pencil in a slight chance of showers and storms Sunday and Monday. But right now, it does not look overly likely. The European solution is a clear outlier. Here we go to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 4th of September, back off the GFS. It keeps us dry, and in fact, we're still dry off the GFS all the way out to the end of the period. This is Thursday, the 6th, and so high temperatures would be around average, somewhere between 99 and 103, lows mostly in the 70s. But I do have a feeling that some monsoon moisture will ultimately make its way into the southwest. Just how much, well, that's still uncertain at this time. All right, let's check the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble through the period, and gradually it eases temperatures back toward climatological normals as we get further into September. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool, drink plenty of water out there, and have a great Tuesday, everybody.